What an incredible afternoon in Spain at Australia's famous Bondi Beach. Picture yourself on this iconic stretch of golden sand where the sun was shining and the beach was buzzing with energy. Summer vibes were in full swing, with people swimming, surfing, playing beach volleyball, and just soaking up the sun. It was a true celebration of the warmer days, and it's still spring. Feeling adventurous, we headed over to icebergs to take in the breathtaking view of their iconic pool overlooking the ocean. It was a sight to behold. We couldn't resist grabbing a drink and savoring some delicious food while enjoying the view.